Hello and welcome to Ben Max Motors. Here today we have a 2014 Volkswagen Golf SV. It's a 1.6 TDI BlueMotion tech. It's a diesel automatic in silver. Coming in with 37.5 thousand miles on the clock. Been very well taken care of and very well maintained. Coming in with 12 service stamps, 8 being a main dealer. It's also had a timing belt and water pump change at 32.6 thousand miles. It's a great condition inside and out. It's a very eco-friendly car and only £20 tax. If you like the style of the Golf but need more space, this is definitely the car for you. Moving on inside. Full electric windows. Electric mirrors, high adjustable front seats with lumbar support.
Okay.
And as you can see there, 37,588 thousand miles. Does come with hands-free, reverse camera. Goes surround with parking sensors. It also come with phone connectivity, your hands-free. Does also come with cruise control and speed limiter, which is on the steering wheel. As mentioned, is an automatic. Does come with sport mode. 2 cup holders. With an extra bit of storage here for your phone. Bit more storage there underneath the armrest, which is also height adjustable. Climate control settings. As you can see, it's very well taken care of, very nice clean. No tears, no rips, no stains. And as you can see, plenty of space here in the back with fold out trays on the back of the front seats. We have a little bit more extra storage under there as well. We also have a 12 volt socket in the back. There are 60/40 split on the back seats with a centre armrest with 2 more cup holders. Plenty of space for the family, luggage. And as you can see, it's got great boot space as well. As mentioned before, comes a parcel shelf. Could also come with a steel spare wheel. The locking wheel nut in there also. Great car. Great drive. Very comfy. Again, height adjustable front seats with lumbar support for the passenger side, adjustable headrests, and there we are, 2014 Volkswagen Golf SV, 1.6 diesel automatic in silver, here at Ben Max today for $8,995. Thank you for watching.